Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw proceeds from a Fundrise investment step by step clearly. To withdraw proceeds from your Fundrise investment, start by logging into your Fundrise account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate and select the withdrawal option from the menu. You will be prompted to choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired amount in the designated field. Review your account balance to ensure you can withdraw that amount. Next, select the method of withdrawal you prefer. Options may include bank transfer or other payment methods available to you. If you are choosing a bank transfer, ensure that your bank account is properly linked. If your bank account isn't linked, follow the prompts to add it. Once you've selected your withdrawal method, click on Continue or Next. Carefully review all the details of your withdrawal request. Make sure there are no errors in the amount or payment method. If everything looks correct, confirm your withdrawal request. You may receive a confirmation message verifying that your request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Withdrawals typically take several business days to process. Be patient, as it may take time for the funds to appear in your account. You can always return to your dashboard for updates on your withdrawal status. Consider keeping records of your withdrawal for future reference. That's all there is to it. You have successfully initiated a withdrawal from your Fundrise investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.